How's it going, guys? How's everyone doing? Welcome, welcome. Nice Monday morning. Let's see what we can do. This 4 hours looking good. I'll break charts down in a sec. How's it going, guys? How's it going? Right. Need to delete that because that is not the right one. But we're on it for now. Anyway, I'll start breaking this chart down in a minute. I've just shared the live. Mondays aren't really that busy on stream anyway with people. So, how's it going, Daniel? All right, mate? How's it going? I'll start breaking charts down in a sec, mate. Like I say, on Mondays, not many people join the streams. It's normally Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday where people join. So we'll see anyway. We'll see. But like I say, I'll still stay alive and see if we can take anything. Daniel, did you get an Alpha Capital Futures account? Is that what you got, mate? But yeah, I'm going to start breaking these charts down in a second. Yeah, good stuff. Did you use the link that I sent you, Dan? Did you use the link that I sent you? Because that will be the right one if you use that link. Did you use the link that I sent you privately, mate? you know when I sent you the Alpha Capital, did you sign up through that? Because that is the right one. Yeah, good stuff, Daniel. If you did, good stuff. That's the right one. You've got that. Nice one. All good. Yeah, they're good. Yeah, Daniel, they're good then, mate. Perfect. Yeah, if you use that link and put 20 in, you get 20% off. Good. That's it. Nice one, mate. But yeah, on gold now, guys. Let's see. So gold on the daily, flipping bearish as expected after the weekly close. Look. So the weekly on gold, it took out, the last weekly took out these two highs here. To the left, just a bit of analysis. Look, we've liquidated with this big weekly candle here. We've liquidated these highs here and these highs here, and we actually closed below. So realistically on gold, if you are going to continue lower, you are going to come up, maybe retest a bit further before pushing down. Because on a weekly candle, like, yes, sometimes you get a little wick like so, but I don't think this is the full wick. I don't think this is the full wick to take us to the downside yet. I still think price needs to come up maybe a bit further, retest under these levels here, and then flip down for the day or week to come. So I am open to both long and shorts. Shorts do definitely look better going with the overall weekly close, which is great. That's something to keep your eyes on. But yeah, overall on the weekly, I think we can push up a bit further, you know, especially hopefully maybe into like 2024 again. So I am open to both longs and shorts. However, looking at the monthly as well, you know, we could definitely still come a lot further down in the next 10 days and, you know, push down into these lows here. So thinking about that, guys, you know, both longs and shorts today are necessary. In terms of where I'm going to look to short gold into today, you know, there's a little target low here that we could look to take continuations into. So that is my main target for this week, for today, sorry, in terms of shorts. Because if we're looking at shorts again, anybody in the community said I'm going to look for shorts below this level here at 2400, and we've started to collapse straight through there. You know, we was in a range from here to here today, from 2404 to 2400, and this was the range that I weren't trading in. We didn't get any confirmation above the range, because how we broke out, there were no confirmation above the range to go long, and now we're starting to collapse through the bottom of the end of the range. We can start looking for shorts into 2391. So that is the plan going forward. I'm only looking for shorts now, and I'm going to see if we can get shorts. I need to remain under 2400. If we remain under 2400, I can still continue to look for the shorts, and it's as simple as that. Overall shorts, like, we are taking these lows here now. We are liquidating these lows here to the left, which that's why we're getting the reaction that we're getting now. But overall, guys, I think we can come a lot lower into 2400. So that is the overall plan for today, you know. Some confirmation now, guys, and then we can look to go short. So that is the plan. Anybody who's new here, guys, like I say, drop us a like on the video. Thank you for the subscribers as well, guys. We're hitting 52 subscribers now. I'm very appreciative of that. But yeah, guys, welcome to the live. Anybody who's not sure what we're doing here, I am looking for shorts into this low here. We are getting a reaction away from this. It's expected, guys. When you've got something to keep in mind, guys, and something to note down, when you've got two liquidity points like this, you know, so close to each other, one will get taken, and then the next one will get taken later on. And I'm going to show you an example if I can find one. Let me see if I can find an example really quickly that'll help. There might not be one, but it does happen time and time. Like here, guys, look at this. So you've got, look at this, you've got liquidity highs here, which just got taken, and then you've got liquidity highs here, which are quite close to it. So you've got liquidity highs, liquidity highs, liquidity highs, and what happens? You know, you push away, you push to the downside, and then you go and take the next liquidity after. And that's just how the market moves. It entices sellers in here. Everyone starts selling, and then they get trapped as well. And that's what we're going to look for now, guys. We're going to look for people buying too early now. So what you're going to see now, guys, is you're going to see a lot of retail traders are going to start buying this position, and they're going to put the stops under these lows. We know that this just creates a load of liquidity from here to here, so much liquidity. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for shorts down into that liquidity, And until if we start closing back above some levels like here, 2400 levels, then we can start looking for longs. I am open to both today, guys, because we have still got some liquidity above here to take, you know. We've got highs here to take, and we've also got highs here to take. So I am open to both, but I really do need to keep under 2400 to sell, and if we get back above 2400, I'll look to long. How's it going? You good? Hope you're well. But yeah, in terms of that, Dan, in terms of the alpha capital that you're taking there, I'm feel it's a lot easier than Top Step. I feel it's a lot easier than Top Step. You know, you need 6%, and you've got no daily target, so you can met like 4% in one day, 2% in another day, and you're done. So it's good. Just take your time with it, mate. Also, Dan, have you got onto the alpha? Have you got onto the alpha, their own platform? They've got their own platform. If you go onto Alpha Futures, once you bought the challenge, it'll let you get onto their platform. If not, we can do it in the next call. Don't worry, I'll help you set it up. Just join now. Out before, yeah. Nice one, nice to see you. No, not yet. I'm gonna look to get a short. Yeah, I'm gonna look to get a short because look how we broke out of this range. How we broke out of it to the upside. Look, we didn't take any liquidity as we broke out. You know, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 candles here. You know, that didn't take any liquidity as we broke out, so we can't buy. And look what it's done. It saved us. Us not buying because of our rules has saved us here. Now we're pushing down below. We still haven't taken liquidity as we brought below. So again, it could save us. So now I'm just going to look for confirmation to go short. Yeah, Daniel, that's fine, mate. We'll sort that out. I'll message you about that, mate. Let me just write that down. Yeah, I'll message you about that, Dan. Maybe tomorrow if you want, or maybe later on today. After the one-to-one, after the thingy, I'll message you about that, mate. But yeah, it's an absolute steal that for an 150k account. If you can pass that, guys, for what the sake of 170 quid, so cheap. Especially 6%. You can get 6% in a month easy. But yeah, guys, this is gold's looking quite decent. You know, we're in a big range in London. Look how long this range were. You know, when I woke up at 6:30, I weren't even looking to trade this because I knew it was in this range, and I started updating the guys at about 8:30 here, and I was just making you aware that we're in this range. I'm not even looking to trade. So I woke up at 6:30, saw we were in this range, and I'm like, nah. And then I did nothing until we broke out here, but we didn't see any confirmation to go. But now it's starting to look decent. Mystic, how's it going? First time ever been in profit on funded, and it's break even. Good stuff. Nice one, Mystic. Is what Ben? It is Ben, right? Ben, are you? Did you get a funded account? Another funded account? Is that what you mean, mate? Yeah, I'm looking for shorts, guys. Really. If we get some confirmation, I'm going to short this. That H1 close is nice, but if we start closing back above 2400, I'm going to long. So that's my only level I've got, really. Yeah, Ben, I thought it were you, mate. It's all good, Hannah. Yeah, I got a new funded. Good stuff, Ben. Nice. What, like an actual funded account? Or a challenge? So what you're looking for, entry now, close below the liquidity to go down. Yeah, exactly, Ben. So what we've got now, mate, what we've got now is we've got a nice H1 close back below the range. So what I was mentioning to the people at the start is that we had a range here, didn't we? This was the range I showed this morning. 2405, 2404 to 2400. And look, we closed above it, but we didn't take liquidity as we closed above it. So we're waiting for confirmation. And it saved us, like always, the waiting for confirmation. If depending on how you close, depends on if you wait for confirmation or not. And in this case, you had to wait for confirmation because we didn't take liquidity as we broke above. So this is why I have the two different breakout trades, because if we did take liquidity, it would have continued up. Because it didn't, we need to wait for confirmation. No confirmation, no trade. It ends up being a fake out, pushing to the downside. Now we're closing below the 2400 range. We need to wait for confirmation. Why? Because it's the same as this range break here. We didn't take liquidity as we broke above. We haven't taken liquidity as we brought below. So in order to go long, or in order to go short, sorry, we need to wait for lower time frame confirmation to make sure this is not a fake out and price isn't going to continue like this. Funded challenge, bro. First day of it today. Good stuff, Ben. Who's it with? But yeah, you've got it right, Ben. We're going to take all this liquidity down here. If we break back above 2400, I'm looking to go long. But yeah, I've only got this one level, guys, because basically we're so close to the liquidity to the downside that if price is going to take it, it's going to stay below 2400. The thing is, why I've only got one level as well is because if we get back above 2400, the chance of price pushing back down before taking this liquidity is very, very low. Alpha Capital Group, but I'm off my lunch now, so I probably missed entries. Oh, okay, yeah, I understand, mate. There's never missed entries, mate, because you can just trade the hourly and the 30-minute. Like, you can see how well it works, and you don't need all these huge, you don't need like these massive 5-10 minute entries where you get these best RRs. You can just trade the 15-minute and the 30, and we can go through it a bit if you want now. Like, let's just say you're here. What time's this at? I'm only putting it up because it's at 1:30, and then bang, you can see you've got the confirmation there. You've got a level here that you broke above. You know, if you're using the 30-minute, then you just literally go along now, put your stop there, and then you can say, all right, I'm going to just take a nice into this level here at a 1-to-1. You know, swing it, 2% risk. You know, don't even need to check your form, bang. If you want to leave a runner, leave a runner. And look, like, it's so simple. And what did that run to? It ran to a bang there, 2.3-to-1. And even so, on the hourly, if you want to look in the hourly and do trade on the hourly, it's exactly the same. You're waiting for the same things. And I can just go through a little back test now with you. Like, we're not doing anything. You know, you've got your ranges, you break below your range, you're shorting now. Bang. Look, exactly there. You know, you've got your range, you break below your range, you're shorting. You know, you can have stops above the range if you want to swing. And this is all I did, guys. All I did was swing, and look, it's exactly the same. You're in huge profit. Like, what's that? Almost a 2-to-1. You don't need these 5-minute time frames. I just do it because I'm a scalper. You know, I scalp, and so look at it at 2. So you make, I can't see it because of the heart. We closed, took liquidity and closed. Yeah, exactly, Ben. Exactly that, mate. That's literally it, because look at the 15-minute. The 15-minute and the 30-minute started to close below the range. But because we didn't take liquidity as we broke down through the range, look, 1, 2, look at these. The green candle took no liquidity. Red didn't, red didn't, red didn't. And because we haven't taken liquidity as we broke below, we need to wait for 5-minute confirmation. And right now we're not seeing it, but we will do. We need to see something like this. Can you see this red candle here? Something like this. And then you can short here down. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, perfect. See you soon. I got to go. Yeah, no worries, Ben, mate. See you soon. See you in the chats as well, bro. The weather in England has been so poor recently. But yeah, gold's coming to take that liquidity again as expected. We've still got a decent range down into there, you know, guys. You know, we've got over 45 ticks. So any sort of confirmation I'm going to short. Oh, bore off. Wow, Goldie going. See, we're not even taking any. We've taken that liquidity there. Let's see how we close this 15. If this 15 closes bearish, I'll just take it into the. I'll just take the next 15 down into these lows. What's the 30 saying? Pushing down. Could be a quick push this, you know. Wow, when I say it, it happens. It could be a quick push and it just literally collapses. How big will that stop there? 5 ticks. Wow. So everything that I said we're going to get liquidated has been now. Targets hit perfectly. Goldie, what are you doing to us? Right. Coming into major levels on gold as well, look. No, bang. It's all good though. We can still get positions, guys, don't worry. There'll still be positions that come on. It's just about waiting, being patient, and we'll catch it. So who's here, guys? We've got 6 viewers. Let me know who's here. And if you don't mind, guys, drop us a like on the video. I appreciate it. Dan, Ben. Right, what's gold doing here? What's this? 15. I need the 15 to close bearish before we can sell lower. Coming into big daily levels, guys. Look, be careful about just going full on short now. Look, you know, this is a huge daily level. Look, like, just preserve your capital, guys. Look, you know, rejection. Like here as well. Here, the chances of price rejecting a little bit here is quite big. So don't just look to short now, guys. We'll see what the 5 does too. P. Great. Yeah, gold rejecting. But yeah, guys, like I said, just hold fire. Like, we can just chill on it, relax, ask questions. Darren took partials on that sell earlier, took me a break even before that massive drop. Oh, it's alright, mate. Like I said, there's so many opportunity, Darren. Don't get too frustrated, mate. Seriously, you'll still get like you know you're in the community, mate. You take I take like 7 to 10 trades. You'll probably get half break even. 80% will win, 20% will loss. Like tiny losses, but you'll get the next trade, bro. Don't look too much into it. Just think about it just think about it. If I just stick to my plan from now until Friday, you'll be in a lot better position. Don't let it get to you too much. Hi Naeem, bro. How's it going? But yeah, there's a decent 30-minute entry, Darren, there. Did you take this, Darren? Bang. That was very valid. 120 ticks. Liquidity grab, close below, bang. The only reason I didn't take it is because I was still in this range. I wanted to get out of this range, and when we closed here, I was looking for price action, but we haven't got it. But yeah, Naeem, how are you? Yeah, exactly, Darren. Just think to yourself, over time, you'll be able to capitalize on these. But yeah, guys, like I say, guys, obviously I'm looking for trades all the time, but we can just sit down, ask me some questions. But yeah, if we look at the 30-minute on gold now, let's just do a bit of let's reanalyze this a bit, because what I'm starting to see is, look, we've liquidated these laws. Where now does price for me need to get back above before I start to go long? Okay, ask yourself that question, because we've liquidated these laws. You're not going long yet because price could just collapse. And for me, it's here at 2400, back above 2400. I'm looking for clearance higher into this liquidity. Okay, simple as that. It's literally as simple as that. Other than that, I'm going to look for continuation shorts. Not good. I didn't put a stop loss in to blow stop loss and blew my live account. Lesson learned. Ready to go again. Nice, Naeem, mate. Naeem, if I was you, I wouldn't use equity edge. If you're using equity edge, get away from them. I would tell you to use someone else, mate. But yeah, any closes above 2400, guys, we can look for longs. Naeem, do you trade from home? Do you trade from home or at work, Naeem? What do you do? I'm just going to tell you the best one for your current situation. If you've got time to trade at home, then yeah, these are great. Are you fully in on trading? Do you have like full dedication to be able to trade from home? Then yeah, I can get you 20% discount on one. Who are good. Like they're very, very reliable. Just let me know. Yeah, good stuff. Right. Yeah, I can give you my discount, 20% discount if you want. But yeah, good. That's perfect. One sec. I'll send you I'll put the link in here now. Use this link, mate, and then ask me once you've Naeem, once you've signed up, just let me know in the comments, and I can give you the link. I can give you the code then for the 20% off. But until you do, I can't. One sec. Well, I can. Actually, I just give you the code now. I'll put it in the description. I'll just copy and send it you now. 1 sec. But yeah, these are good, man. Yeah, US is perfect, man. These are perfect for US. Just there's the link, mate. Sign up to them, and I'll put the code in here, guys. So I use this code. When you've used that link, when you use that link, when you go to check out, use that code and it'll work once you've used that and signed up. 20, you'll get 20% discount. And the like on 100k, it's like 60-70 quid for an account. It's so cheap, and it's like 6% one time to pass. So yeah, it's so easy to, well, not so easy. I pass a lot of them, and obviously with the strategy, my guys will start to pass a lot of them. But yeah, that's the link, guys. And you get the you actually get the good thing about these as well, you get the credentials for your account so quickly. So if you like buy it, I think you get it within like 10 minutes or something. Like it's literally instant, because it's like a built-in prop firm, so it's like all built into their own systems, which is great. They've got their own like actual execution platform, which is good. Especially if you just want like a cheap 100k account. Like I just do like 3 or 4 at the same time and pass like 2 or 3, and then you've got like what 200-300k in funding, and then just take it slowly then, guys, and then just build it up to like a decent amount and then just withdraw it. It's simple. That's all I do. But yeah, guys, let's see if we can catch some shorts down, some continuations. If anyone's got any more questions, guys, shoot us a question. Anything at all, guys, shoot it over. Whilst we're waiting for gold to push higher or continuation lower, just let me know. Give us a question. Like I say, is the profit target 3,050k? Yes, so it's 6% on all of them, Naeem, and you've got a 4% profit drawdown. So on a 100k, you need 6%, so 6k, and you've got 4k drawdown. And once you hit 6%, you're done. Just take it slowly, mate. It's a monthly, but really, it does say monthly. Remember, it does say monthly. But if you pass in 2 weeks, then it's done. You don't pay the monthly fee. It's only if you say you're in 4% profit, and then it rolls off to the next month. You just pay the fee again, and then once you've passed, that monthly fee stops. So it's not monthly after you've passed. Don't think it is, because it's not. Once you've passed, it's done. You don't pay the monthly fee. Which is great, because if you want to take 2 months to pass, it's still cheap. You know, these 100Ks on FX are like 400 quid. You know, 100K on these monthly ones, which are great. It's like, if you pass in 2 months, it's still like only 250 quid. It's still cheaper, especially with 20% off as well. But yeah, just get used to the platform as well. It's really good. Like you can just enter, you can just execute, and then you can move your stop and take profit. I'm pushing it towards my guys in the community as well because I just think it's so easy to use and execute. And if you can get a couple of these on the board and just take it slowly once you've passed, you can build a good income from it. I'm a bit. But yeah, if anyone's got any other questions, guys, let me know. What we're waiting for on gold really is a break above. Let's say a break above here at least. You know, I don't want to be stuck in this range. So if we do break above, we can look for longs. But realistically, I'm just going to look for continuation shorts if they do show. We could get a 5-minute little pullback trade above, say, here. But then we're just stuck in a mini range. So we'll have a look how the 5 closes. We might just have to stay on to the 5 for now. Just for the stream, you know. Because if this 5 minutes closes bullish above here, guys, I might just take a little scalp, you know, a little very like maybe like a 0.25% scalp to see if I can take it up. You know, it's got a decent range above here, guys, and obviously I know I'm trading within the range, but if we can get a nice 5-minute close, you know, the 30 is starting to wick up, the owl is starting to reject. I might take a little very small risk, long, guys. But I'll keep you updated. I wanna close back above here for now. You know, closes back above, then I can go long. I'm just trying to see the best place. You know, back above here at least, and then I might trade it into 2400. It is like I say, guys, it is a risky play, but you know, if I can take that buy into there, 28 ticks, I'm happy. And like I say, in the meantime, guys, anyone got any questions, let me know. We can chill, ask questions, you know, anything at all. Yeah, I'm gonna look for maybe some little longs, depending on, you know, this 8 minutes till we close. Back above here would be nice. But yeah, like, what's everyone saying? One sec, guys. Sorry, I need to open a Stripe account first. Do you? I don't think you do, Naeem. I think you can just use your credit card, mate. I didn't need to open a Stripe account. I think you can just input your information. Yeah, I didn't have to open it. I don't have a Stripe account, and I've bought a couple. I don't think you do, bro. I just put my credit card details in. It didn't ask me to open a Stripe account. Very strange. But if it does, I don't think it'll be a problem for you to open one. But let me know how it goes, mate. It opened it at... Yeah, no worries, Naeem. Nice. I need to open a Stripe account. Yeah, just let me know how it goes, mate. If you have any other questions, let me know, because I've opened one. So if you need anything, let me know. Yeah, that's fine. Right, here we go, guys. Let's see if we can get some shorts in a second. We're rejecting this 30-minute level here as well. You know, we could continue down. The only concern I've got is this 30 minutes closing quite wicky. So we'll see how we close now. Yeah, 60, yeah, perfect. That's what it is, Naeem, good. Abu works, you just have to ignore the option, yeah, nice. Like I say, Naeem, you'll be able to get that discount as well for the remainder of your month. So just, if you use that link, the 20 should work. So good stuff. I'm happy you got it. It's so cheap as well. And if you have any questions about the the dashboard or anything, there's a built-in dashboard called Alpha Clicks. You use that to execute, and it's so good. It works so well. But yeah, like I said, mate, just use them. You know, you can even do a couple at the same time, and if you're doing a couple at the same time, you can get 100, 150, and it's so cheap, man. Yeah, guys. Whilst the markets are a bit slow, I do apologise. We can still look for positions, don't worry. I'm just gonna wait to see how the hourly closes now, and then I'll update you all. But don't worry. For now, we're just wicking, taking liquidity and closing above. So give it another 3 minutes, and I'll update you what I'm gonna see. But yeah, like I say, I've bought a couple of hundreds now. With a discount, it's so worth it. I'm just doing 100. So you can trade with news, yeah, but don't leave it open overnight, because it's futures. This is futures. It's exactly the same. Just use 1 to 2 contracts. So when you go onto the alpha clicks, what I'll do, Naeem, message me. I know you've got me on Telegram. Message me on Telegram and I'll show you through it all. And it's so simple, mate. I only use futures. I don't use FX anymore. Futures is way better. It's exactly the same. It's exactly the same chart, exactly the same prices. Everything's the same. Execution's the same. The pip difference is the same. Everything is the same. It's just a different contract. You know, I'm using it's a futures contract instead of a lot contract. But yeah, that's the thing. Like with these FX prop firms, you're having a lot of problems with getting paid out. You know, them shutting down. These won't go anywhere. Futures prop firms will go absolutely nowhere, Naeem. But yeah, I'll drop me a message on Telegram and I'll help you. Nice one, Naeem. Yeah. Any questions at all? Let me know, and I'll help you get set up with that Alpha Clicks. It's so simple. It's on the dashboard now. If you're on Alpha Futures, on the dashboard where you've just bought your account, it says Alpha Clicks. You can click that, sign in, and you're ready to go. But yeah, it's all good. Right, gold's owl is about to close bearish, I think. On the 30, it's starting to reject a bit more. I think we could look for some shorts soon, guys. The 15 took the prior highs as well. So depending on how we close, I'm going to look for continuation shorts. Right, owl is just closed bearish. 4 hour is closed bearish, guys. So what's going to happen now? This is how I'm going to trade this now, okay? I'm going to trade a 4 hour continuation to the downside. So if we get an upside, if we get a wick to the upside, guys, you know, up here a bit, I'm going to trade the flip of the 4 hour down. Okay? I'm going to trade the flip of the 4 hour down. I want a decent stop loss though. What's that? 10 ticks. Push up a bit further, I'll just take the 4 hour flip. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to put it's only a small risk, guys, by the way. I'm gonna have a sell stop on the break of the 4 hour low, and it's half risk, guys. When I say half risk, use half risk, and I'm gonna look to target the wick fill of the 4 hour. So that is the trade. Depending on how we flip, depending on where the stop loss will be, but that's the trade for now, guys. You know, your liquidity grab, we're close through the low. I'm gonna see if we can continue to the downside, but that is the trade, guys. Simple as it comes. Just gonna put that in on all my accounts now. So I'm in on it with you. But yeah, like I said, depending on where we flip, depending on where the stop loss will be. Like I say, half risk, guys. Half risk. And like I say, if we don't flip in, say, 15, 20 minutes and this starts to push up like here, then I'll just delete it. But I want to keep, say, below at least... I want to say at least stay below here. Yeah, but that's the trade, guys. You know, hourly, 4 hourly flips. It's a 4 hour trade. It's a bit of a swing trade, actually. Yeah, but this flip, guys, if we flip, we're going to push down. Not in yet. Guys, make sure I'm not in this yet. Sell stop is in. So once we start pushing below here, we'll get activated and we'll continue that down. continued push down, you know, into these lows here. You know, everything's bearish. Hourly's bearish. 30-minute all tilt liquidity. Daily's bearish. You know, like I say, guys, if we start closing, if we start pushing above here, then I'm going to delete the order. And I want to reject these levels here. You know, 2400 as well. So if we start pushing above here and wicking above here, I'm going to delete. I want to start rejecting soon. On a one contract, guys, if this pushes down here on a one contract, you know, it's way over like, what's that, 55 ticks? It's way over like $500-600, which is great. But yeah, guys, anybody new here, welcome. Thanks for the subscribers, guys. Thank you for liking as well. Everyone who likes and subscribes, I appreciate you all. But yeah, over the last couple of weeks, guys, we've taken some decent trades on the stream, which is good. Right, guys, what are we doing here, Goldie? The thing is, guys, the only reason why I'm saying I need to stay below here is because if price starts pushing above 2400, then I'm going to look for longs. I can't look for shorts and longs at the same time. It makes no sense. So if we stay below 2400, yeah, this will get activated and we'll push down. If we start closing back above, then no, it won't. Yeah, that's the plan. I want to see some rejection on this 15, you know. Remember, guys, I'm not in this position yet. What we could do as well, guys, for the guys, let me know if you'd be interested in this. People here, let me know if you want me to start a fresh account on Alpha, maybe the new accounts on Alpha, and let me know if you want to try and if you want to do just a live stream challenge or something where we try and pass a challenge, 50k, 100k challenge or something. You know, we'll try and get that 6% just live on stream. If anybody's interested in that, let me know. Write down yes, interested or something, and we can all like get a challenge and we can try and pass it. Obviously, it might take maybe like 1 or 2 tries. Obviously, you're not going to try straight away and pass. It's just not what even the best traders in the world don't. But maybe like, I think I passed like maybe 7, 8 accounts out of 10. Right, guys, what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna delete this stop order. I'm deleting the stop order. One second, let me delete it on my accounts. Deleting this stop order. I'm gonna wait for this 5 to close. What you need to look at this 5, guys. No top wick on this 5. So the only thing I'm cautious about, guys, is us coming down, tagging us in, and coming to take that top wick. So we just need to give it another 5 minutes. Let this take the top wick, and then I'll put it back in. Yep, interested in that, Naeem. Nice. Yeah, up for that. Good. Good, Naeem. Yeah, we'll do that then. Maybe not this week. Maybe next week. Or sometime next month. Sometime next month I'll do that. we can all start with maybe like a 50 or 100, something like that, and then we can build it and get it passed. Because even guys, even if you're watching the streams over the last week, you know, we took 4 trades, and I think I took like, what did I take in four trades? I took about 32 ticks. So 32 ticks on maybe like a 2 contract, guys. You know, it's like over $1,000. So just in like a week, you'd have been up 1,000, which is great. So even if you're using bigger lots, like we can use maybe like 2 or 3 contracts. You know, and you're halfway there, guys, to the profit. But yeah, we can do that. Darren, nice one. Yeah, we can do that, mate. Sounds good. And I'll use the Alpha Futures Alpha Clicks account thing. It's really good. I love using it. And this is exactly what I said, guys, were going to happen. Look, there were no top wick here. Because there's no top wick here, okay, we can't look to sell because price to do this and wick up very, very high. Naeem, it's called Alpha Clicks. On the if you sign into Alpha Futures, you know, the link that I sent, this link above, sign into that, guys, and you can, it says Alpha Clicks on the where it says where it says account, it says Alpha Clicks. Click that and it'll take you to their own built-in software where you can execute positions. It's really good. It looks like, I'll show you what it looks like. It looks like TradingView. It looks like TradingView, and you've got all the futures. You just type in gold and then it says gold futures, click that and it's exactly the same chart. And I really enjoy using that. It's very similar to Top Step, but Top Step's not as cheap as Alpha. And Alpha's easier to pass. Gold's been a bit boring, isn't it, today, guys? I think tomorrow will be way better. I'm thinking, guys, any closes above here now, 2400, I'm going to look for longs. Closes above here, I'm going to look for longs. Because we've taken all this liquidity here, look. Any closes above, I'm going to look for longs. Simple. But I just don't like how the H4 closed so bearish. But I got to trade price action. I got to trade the levels and my liquidity. Which platform? Alright, yeah, I've already answered that. And another thing about the futures thingy, Naeem, if for example you say if you lose the account in like say 2 weeks, you can just reset it. You can just reset the account, and you'll pay the same fee. You won't pay the bigger fee without the discount. You'll pay the discounted fee. So you just press reset and you'll pay that fee. And if you say like you've got a 4% drawdown, let's say you're down 3.5% and you just want to reset it back to 0, press reset, it'll set your account back to 0, and you pay the same fee as you did when you first paid, which is great. It's not like a one-time discount. You know, you get the discount for the rest of the remaining fees. Resets, which I'm a big fan of. Very big fan of. Goldie, what you doing, lad? Let's see, how's Goldie doing? See if we've got any minor levels of resistance. Yeah, we have there. Right, we're starting to create a bigger picture now on Gold here. This is what I'm going to look for. If Goldie on the 5 can start pushing below 23.97 here, can start looking for shorts. Because we're in a range here now. Look, But, you know, look, we're in the range, break out. We're bigger range here, break below. Now we're in this range. So breaks below, I'm going to look for shorts down. Breaks above, longs. Let's see what happens. Been live for an hour now and nothing much has happened. You know how many ticks since I've been live have we moved on gold? Like, I started live here. I started live there, like 70 ticks, not much really. Yes, guys, anyone new here, guys, drop us a comment. Let's see who's here. Like I say, guys, I'm just doing a bit of other things. I'm streaming, waiting for a trade, but I'm doing some other things at the same time. Don't always just stare at the charts. Do other things that keep yourself productive. You know, I'm answering questions to my communities now. I'm, you know, drawing up videos and stuff, ideas. Like, keep yourself active, guys. Don't just stay married. And once we close below here, then I'll look for shorts down, guys. Absolutely. But if anyone's got any questions, let me know. Three. I think price could just range within here, you know, for a bit, maybe. And once we break below here, yeah, I'll short. I will short, of course. I'm ready for it. Don't worry, I'm ready for it. I am ready. 15. Yeah, that's 15 bearish close below 23.70.97. Then yeah, shorts is beautiful. Down to wick fill this 4-hour wick fill. Need to wait for that close though, guys. Excuse me. Ugh. But yeah, guys, cheers. I appreciate any likes on the video. I really do. Let's see what gold's going to do for us now. 15-minute. Nice bearish 15-minute close. Let's see. 30 minutes starting to reject. Owl is starting to reject. Yeah, 5-minute shorts could be nice. You know, you want to reject this. You want to see if you reject this range anyway. Yeah, guys, any questions, let me know. Like, we're waiting for gold to go short, yeah, obviously. Waiting for it to go long or break out of this range, yeah. But if you've got anything at all, let me know. Starting to push down now. You know, let's see where we want realistic price to push below here. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Yeah, to be fair, guys, Mondays and Fridays are never Mondays and Fridays are never really the busiest. But like I say, I still do it. I don't mind at all. I know a lot of the community members like it as well, so that's why I do it mainly. It's a good way to get everyone together and ask questions. I'll have to educate myself on the lot size before trading. Looks a bit. Yeah, it can at first. It can, Naeem. It can for sure, but just it's not lots. Just use contracts, maybe like 1 to 2 contracts. But when you use futures, you will never go back to FX. I'll tell you that for sure. I'll tell you that for sure, mate. Trust me, it is way better. I thought the same, mate. And then when you start using it, you'll never go back. Like, the payouts are better, faster, not as much questions. Like, it's all good. And you don't need to be afraid that this prop firm's gonna leave in a day. You know, gone today, here today, gone tomorrow. Half of these FX prop firms. Yeah, Naeem, cheers, mate. I trust myself. You know, I don't tell people to do anything until I try it myself, and I've traded futures for years now, and it's way better, way better. And when I know a good prop firm when I see it. Trust me. Trust me. Let's see what gold close is like, guys, in this 30 minutes. If we close in between this range, it's probably time to wait until we close back above or below. Because this volume on the 5, look at this volume, guys, absolutely poor. We've sat here for 30 minutes with nothing. Gold. Are you looking for a rejection of 2400 on the 15? What I'm waiting for, Naeem, is if we close above 2400, I'm going to look to buy into this liquidity above. So we've got 80 ticks, okay? If we close below 20 here, 23.97, you know, you can see this level here, your rejection. If we close below it, then I'm going to look to short into this 4-hour wick fill down here to continue to the downside. So we just need to wait for a closure, really. And some volume starting to step in now. So it's all about how we close. But realistically, nice closes below here. Then yeah, I think we clear down. Because looking to the left, you can see this rejection to the left here. Though. Rejection. Look at that, rejection. I don't know what it's like even further, but... You know, yeah, rejection. So yeah, below here, I'm shorting. But yeah, on the 15 as well, we're in this range now. You know, look, this is a range here that we need to wait. Wait in. But if I weren't on the charts live, I'd put an alert here at 23.95, and I'd put an alert here at 2400, and I'd wait for either one to break. And depending on how it breaks and closes, obviously the people in the community know, but depending on how it closes, depending on how we can trade it, okay? So if you are in the community, you'll know the two different breakouts, and if we look for confirmation or not. But that's it, guys. That's what I'm looking for, because I do like this 4 hour to continue down into these lows. So yeah. But yeah, we're starting to get a bit of momentum now to the downside, which is decent. So, like I said, depending on how gold closes on this next 6 minutes, depends if we can short or not. I would like this to close bearish in 5 minutes. If this green candle closes bearish, like down here, even just a little bit bearish, like red, then yeah, we can short the next 15 down into here, which is a decent push down. You know, way over 70 ticks, 60 ticks. But yeah, we'll see how this 30 closes. You know, 5 minutes, guys. If this 30 closes bearish, then yeah, shorts are decent. See, this is why you wait, guys. Look, instant rejection from this level as expected. Instant rejection. But yeah, I think I will start that account challenge on here, guys. I'm gonna put it in the. I put it in the trade. I put it in here now. One sec. I'll make a poll. Who would like me to do who would like me to do a 50k or 100k passing a prop okay challenge live on YouTube. I will be documenting. I'll put. Right, done. Oh, one sec. He would like me to do a 50k or 100k challenge live on YouTube. I would document me passing the challenge live. Let's see. No, oh, shit. Right, I've put it out, guys. Edit. See what we get. See if we get any interest. Me thinking that the investors will probably look to buy gold as Biden is stepping down. Yeah, exactly. You could have a lot to do with that, because Biden hasn't got a clue really, has he? To be fair though, Biden isn't even running the USA, America. You know, there's people running it and him just standing there doing nothing. Right, decent. So we got 4 votes for yes, which is great. That's good. We can definitely do it then. You know, even if I get like 5 or 6, like yeah, I'll do it. Great stuff. Maybe in a couple of weeks I'll start that. Especially if it gets people onto the YouTube to watch the lives as well, so we can all get it done together. It's great. But this owl is about to flip soon as well, which is decent. 30 minutes. I needed this 30 minutes to close bearish to look for shorts. But yeah, I do agree with your name. I think there'll be a lot of buying on gold soon. Maybe. But I'm just going to trade how my liquidity and my levels show me. If I start closing bearish, I'm going to look for shorts. But I can't go short yet because I'm still in this range. If this green candle, which just closed, was bearish and it would close red down here, then yeah, I'd short down. Because price has that range to push down, but right now it doesn't. Because price can now just continue up and fill this wick within this range. So I'm going to give it another 5 or 10 minutes and see what we do. Let's see how we close in 5 or 10 minutes, guys, and then we can maybe take these shorts. And if we're still in the range, I'll just update the community. Seven votes for yes. Great stuff. Nice one, guys. If anyone's interested in it, yeah, like I say, I'm definitely down to do that. You know, like maybe we might have to use a little bit higher risk, maybe like on a 50k, like 2 or 3 contracts, but it's definitely possible. Cheers for the likes, and guys, and anyone new here, drop us a comment. Welcome. And like I say, if we use 3 contracts on the trades that we took last week, you know, we're up over halfway there. So it doesn't take many trades to pass. Four likes, nice one, guys. Appreciate y'all. See, just checking the community chats 1 sec. Now we're alright on there. But yeah, guys, this is the range for me right now. Any closes below here, I'm going to short into this 4-hour wick fill. So this is the 4-hour wick fill, guys. Look how bearish the 4-hour close. We are starting to flip. If we do close below here, then the chances of this 4-hour getting filled here, down into here, is very high. If we close back above 2400, I'm going to look to take the liquidity here. So this is the no trade range. Sorry that it's so bad drawing, but this is the no trade range. I'm going to look to buy above here. And I'm going to look to sell below here, depending on how we break out, and it's as simple as that. And that is how, that is as simple, well, not as simple as it be, because when you need to understand it, but that's how it is, and that's how I make money. So good, so good. And a good thing that the alpha as well, if people want to do this challenge with me, The good thing about it is that it'll be live on YouTube, so you'll have to like just tune in for maybe like 2 or 3 hours a day. It's not much. Right, come on. What's this 5 gonna do for us? See, rejecting now, guys. Exactly, people going in shorts too soon. Here. Now going into... Now, don't trade this range, guys. It's so simple. You know, people trading this range now are in drawdown. Simple as that. So, just wait for the closure above and then we can go long. One sec, guys. Right, guys, let's see if we can... It all depends on how we close, you know. If we close above, I'm longing. It's just this range I can't trade in, guys. It's so simple. People, obviously, people know me that I set alerts here. But live on YouTube, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just stay and trade it live. Yeah, but within here, guys, it's as simple as not trading. So that's why I'm saying any questions, guys, let me know and we can answer them. We can talk a bit of trading, travel, anything. I'm going to look to long into this trend line here. So they're my liquidity targets for longs, liquidity targets for shorts. Yeah, it's just consolidating, Naeem. It's good to sit on your hands, mate. Definitely good to sit on your hands. But if it does, like I say, guys, if it does break above, then I'll execute. If it breaks below, I'll execute. In between, not looking good. You know, this could happen. And realistically, do you want to be trading this? It's a flip of a coin. It really is a flip of a coin. I do like shorts better than longs, for sure. But I need to wait for this 15 to close. And then I can look for shorts. If this 15 closes below this range, then I'm shorting all day. For sure. Any shorts below here, I'm definitely gonna look for shorts. It's 15 closes, 7 minutes, and then yeah. Have you got any trips planned? As of yet, no. I am gonna go to maybe Turkey. I'm gonna go to Turkey maybe in August, and then I'm gonna go back to Thailand as well. When are you going to try? Oh, my restaurant. Oh, Naeem, nice one. Where is it? Where you based, bro? Let me know. I'll definitely come and try it out. But other than trips, yeah, no. I'm gonna look to go to Thailand at the end of the year for another maybe 6 months. All right, this 5 minutes looking interesting, guys, because we have actually had a liquidity grab here. Look, this 5 minutes took this high and we're closing below. So depending on how we close here, I might take 5 minute shorts. Might take 5 minute shorts, depending on how we close. and now it open. But yeah, Naeem, for sure, mate. Let me know where you are, and I'll see if I'm around there anytime, and I'll definitely try it out, mate. 100%. I don't want a rejection like this. If it rejects like this, I'll wait for the 15 to close. Oh, Wirral. Wirral, I don't think that's too far from me. Let's have a look. Oh no, Liverpool. It's not. It's like maybe an hour and a half away. Not bad, not bad. Nice. But yeah, anybody here who's in the Wirral, guys, or near the postcode that Naeem's put on, go and check his restaurant out. What restaurant is it, Naeem? What type of restaurant? What food have you got for us? Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 15 to close now. Back into the range for now, guys. Anybody who's looking to go long, we've just been stopped out. I'm interested to see what food you've got. What restaurant? What type of restaurant is it? Best Indian in world? Why, mate? Indian food is my favorite cuisine out of everything. I love Indian food. I love Indian food. Absolutely love Indian food. Definitely my favorite food. But yeah, anybody who wants to go to the Indian, Naeem's Indians in Wirral. Get yourself there, guys. Good stuff. Yeah, what's it called? What's it called? It's called Dooma. Nice, anyone in Wirral, Liverpool, Dooma it's called. It is, Darren, yeah, it is a liquidity grab for sure. But in order for us to go long now, you really want to see a closure back above here. So if this next 5 minute can close like so, then yeah, we can long the next candle. So we're in this like tight kind of 15-minute range right now. So yeah, if we close above here, then yeah, we can long. Shorts below. Nice name, Dooma. Definitely, if I'm around there for sure, mate, I will 100% try it. I think I might be in Liverpool a couple of times before I leave. So yeah, I'll keep that in mind for sure. I'll drop you a message or whatever. I love Indian food. It's like I've said it like so many times, but I do. I love Indian food. It is the best. Let's see what gold's up to. Here we go, gold here. 15-minute, nice 15-minute bearish close, guys, and I'm going to short this next candle. What would stops be? If we close like there, it's like 50 tick stops. I'll have to be very low risk. I'd need a decent top wick to go short. But yeah, 2 minutes till this close, guys, and we could take shorts down. 40 ticks. How many people are saying on the... How many votes have we had? Decent, 7 votes. Nice, 7 people want to do it. Right, guys, if this 15 closes bearish, I'm going to look for shorts because look what's happened. We've got this level that I had, and we've got a liquidity grab here, you know, liquidity grab. We've also got a bigger liquidity grab here. So we took the liquidity, we've pulled back, rejected from this level, which I said we were going to at 2400. Now we're closing below my major key downside level. If we can close bearish, then we've had everything we need. I'm going to take shorts down. You know, and it's last 15 of the hourly, so the hourly could definitely go on wick fill in the next 15. So that is going to be the position. I need a nice bearish close though. I'm going to delete this for now. I'm going to delete this and this. I just need a nice close below here. I don't want wick rejections like this. I'll give you a subscribe, 15% off, mate. Nice one, Farah. Cheers, Naeem. I appreciate it. What a guy. Yeah, I'd definitely come check it out, mate. Obviously, it's like 2 hours to... It's like an hour and a half, 45 minutes from me to you, so... I'll have to see when I'm near there. But yeah, Indian food for sure. I'll definitely try it if it's Indian food. Right, here we go. 50 seconds, guys. We could be on for something here. Could we get the position that we've waited all day for? 40 seconds. Bearish close. I'm going to take the next 15 flip. Where would I want a top wick to be? You know, if we top wick like here, it'd be nice. And then flip on that, down. Like I say, if it doesn't play out, guys, it doesn't play out. It is one of them. Back in a sec, guys. Okay, let's see. Right, let's see. Let's get a top wick, guys, and then we can flip this down. But I want price to push up a bit. If this 15 can like pull up a bit here instead of just pushing straight down, you know, push up to like there. What would that be for stops? Decent 18 tick stop. Then yeah, we can take it down. But if we just continue down instantly, no, I'm not gonna take this. Come on, Goldie, give us a top wick. Don't just cut off volume right now when we need you. If not, you know, the next 15 flip would be absolutely fine. But I hope we can get this one. If this... Oh, Goldie, if this top flip, if this top wick were here, then yeah, I'd have this sell stopping now, but it's just pushing straight down into the wick fill, 4 hour wick fill. We'd be up now on the 4 hour flip, 25 ticks. If you took that, if you held the 4 hour wick fill trade, then you'd be up. You know, stops there. TP. That'd be a position. You'd be break even as well, guys, because you're coming into major support. So yeah. Welcome, guys. Anyone new here, drop us a like, subscribe. I go live 3 or 4 times a week, so yeah. Join the free Telegram, link in the description. I am looking for shorts, guys. I just want price to push up a bit. Push up and I'll short down. If not, I'll just get the 30-minute flip. It doesn't really bother me. You know, it doesn't matter. If we don't get this flip, we'll just get the trade in 10 minutes. But yeah, I appreciate everyone joining in. If you're new, like I say, drop a comment, ask a question, don't matter. 52 subscribers as well, guys. I appreciate you all. You know, like 2 or 3 weeks of live streams. It's good. What's this 15 saying? Like, why did this have to push straight down? You know, I need a little push up. It isn't as bad as... Do you look at the 2378? Let's have a look at the higher time frame. The problem is Darren, like, I'm only looking to target the H4 wick fill because I know that price before it pushes up, when price is so bearish and we've got this wick to fill, I know that price needs to fill this wick before pushing up. So realistically, you've got levels here. You've got a major level here. Look, you can see how big this level is just by looking to the left. So for me to try and push price down into like 24.78, I need to see some levels like these broken. So realistically, when I've hit my target here at 23.88, 23.87, I'll look to just take it into that target, and then once we consolidate, then I'll look at them further targets. But I just know that price needs to take this low yet before we push up. But I'm going to try and take the 30-minute flip to the downside. But yeah, anybody who's new here, I appreciate you all. Anybody who keeps coming and joining the streams, thank you guys. That a 5-minute tape, that. Beautiful, right? What have we got here now? Oh, I can't take it last 5 of the hourly. This is looking good for shorts, guys. We just need to wait for this 30 and hourly to close, and then I can short. You know, 10 minutes, and then we can do this. If I can just get my 10, 20 ticks, I'm happy. Let's try and get it. $23.60 is the target for me if we're going to go short long term. Let's have a look. Weekly 23.60. Yeah, decent target for me. Long term targets for me on gold, like long term, is all the way down here at 22.70. But you need to start breaking below, say here, 23.65 at least before you see that. But yeah, look, all this liquidity down here, guys. So if price does start, you know, forming like this, you know, shorts down into there are quite likely. But it won't just happen overnight, obviously. It needs to push up a bit first before wicking down. Yeah, 15 minutes starting to reject now. If we jet back into this range, guys, I'll just leave it and wait for the range to break. Has anyone taken any trades in the live? Let me know. Has anyone traded today? Who's taken any positions? If you have, what have you taken? And what did you get? Right, 30's about to close. 5 minutes, guys. We might be able to take some shorts here. Yeah, Naeem, I see Monday's slowing everything. Yeah, for sure. Especially if you've got no news as well. It's the news that's very, well, which makes gold volatile for sure. Never mind what day it is. Doesn't really matter. Right, what's this now? Don't want to take 5 minute shorts on the last 5 of the hourly. I'm going to wait for this hourly to close, guys. If we close bearish like we have now, I'm going to short down into here. So I'll give it another 5 minutes. I'm just going to wait some water, guys. 5 minutes. If this in 5 minutes, we'll be able to short soon. So I'll just hang fire. Yeah. Right, guys. 3 minutes till we close. Let's see if we can take some shorts down. If it closes like so, I'm going to look for shorts because we've liquidated the last high and it'll be the 4 hour wick fill down. So good stuff. Right, we'll be taking hourly. It'll be an hourly trade, this, guys. This will be an hourly continuation play to the downside. Um, you know, we've still got, you know, when if that hourly, you know, pushes up and flips it here, you know, we're still taking 27 ticks, so that'd be good for me. But yeah, that'll be the position in a minute. A minute and 50 seconds. I want to see a wick, like, up here. You know, then we can get in short down. But yeah, that's the plan, guys. So we've got a minute to wait before we can take this short. Hopefully it doesn't come and take this low before we can get in, because that will be annoying, but it is what it is. But yeah, I think we can definitely see a 5-minute hourly push down here. Right, let's see how this hourly opens, guys. It's not closed the strongest. Oh yeah, it's alright. Right, let's push up a bit now. Let's see if we can get this Wickfield push entry. See if we can get this push entry. Right, let's wick up a bit. We want to see a decent push up, maybe like here, and then I can get in the Wickfield to the downside. So I want to see a little push up, then I can get a decent stop into then push down for the hourly entry. Nothing in yet, guys. Nothing in yet. Still waiting. I want a decent stop loss, guys, on this trade. That's why I can't just take that. It's 5 ticks. I need price to push up to say here 10 ticks at least, you know, and then I can just take shorts on the break of the law. There's no way I can take this yet. Even though it might just push now, it's just annoying. It is what it is. Yeah, gold. I need this hourly on gold, guys. Simple as this. If this hourly on gold can push up, give me a bit of a top wick, then I'll short. But until we do that, I can't short. We just need to wait. What's saying? 23.95 would be ideal. Yeah, if it tops wick up into there, that'd be very ideal. We just need price to push up a little bit before we can get the sell entry. Right, guys. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I think if we break that law again, we've got a 20 tick stop. Just trying to think what the best. I'm not gonna put it in yet. I'm just gonna wait for this 5 minute to close. Because I think we can push up to 5 minute highs and get 5 minute confirmation. So we just need to wait, you know? We just need to wait, guys. You know, push up a little bit more, put it in for the hourly flip down here. You know, we've still got like 24 ticks there. Right, let's see what happens here. Right, guys, I'm going to put this in. Hourly flips going in. I'm going to show on the flip of the candle low here, okay? And I'm going to look to take the 25 tick target. Simple as that. That is the trade. And I'm going to use no more risk. No more risk there, guys. Wherever this stop will go, wherever the high is. You know, 20, 30 tick stop. Half risk, guys. Half risk because of the 30 tick stop. But that's the trade. Sell stops in. That's my trade. Sell stop in. Not activated yet. Okay. That's the trade for me, guys. If anyone's got any questions at all, let me know. That's the position for me. Let's see if we can get this trade down though. 25 ticks on a one contract for me. Decent. Yep, nice sell stop there, guys. Nice push down. And then once we take this liquidity here, you know, let's see how far we can take this. But that is the trade, guys. That's the position. You know, this stop loss could even be here. We just got to see where we flip. But when we break this low here, we are going to continue lower for sure. But yeah, make sure it's on the break of the candle low, guys. Not the flip here, the candle low. Because price can easily come back bearish a little bit and then push up without taking the low. Make sure it's the low. But we've still got a decent range into this here. You know, still got 26 ticks. Yeah. Let's see if we can get another 20, 30 ticks today. That'd be beautiful. Come on, Goldie. I'd be very surprised if gold doesn't come and take this 4-hour wick fill before pushing up. You know, it's looking good on all time frames. Right, let's see if we can flip now, guys, and the stop can go here, you see. So, stops will be there. Let's see if this hourly can flip. and continue down into these laws. Okay, guys, let's see. Come on, let's see if we can get this flip now. This could be a quick trade, by the way, guys. This could literally come and fill this in seconds, in like 15 seconds, or it could play around. Obviously, it's either one, but normally these are quite quick. But once we re-break this law, you know, the chances of us pushing down could be nice. But yeah, that'll be the short. That's the position. Let's see if we can continue anyway. I'll tell you when I'm activated on this as well. You've even got 5-minute confirmation there as well. So if you want to get a better position, you can just enter the flipper there. But I'm taking the hourly flip law here, guys. That's my position. It's an hourly trade for me. Still not activated yet. Wow, look at the 5 on gold, guys. That 5 on gold is crazy. But yeah, when this hourly flips, guys, it's going to push down for sure. We just need to wait to see when it pushes. Not in yet. Sell stops in, not active yet. Just going to put that not active yet. No, Naeem. We got a sell stop in here at 23.91. So you know if you're on the Top Step platform, just double click and you can press sell stop 1 and just double click, put your arrow where the low is, press that, sell stop 1 or sell stop 2 depending on how big you want to trade, and you can click it that way. But no, when price passes through here, I've got a sell stop in, it'll activate me as I pass through. But yeah, not in yet. These shorts look really good, guys. If this hourly flips, let me tell you, if this hourly pushes through here, and if it does, like, there's 2 things that are going to happen. This hourly flips from here, it's going to push down into these laws. It should do. Like 85% of the time it will do. It's very unlikely that it's going to tap the law and then continue higher because it needs to take this liquidity here. But if it doesn't take these laws, you know, the chances of it pushing up here are high. So that's why I'm not doing anything until we press below this law here. Goldie continuing higher. Let's see how this 15 closes. We're closing bullish again. Let's see if we can get this trade. Come on, Goldie, let's flip. Right, guys, what I'm going to do is I'll be back in like 5 minutes. I'm just going to get something to eat really quickly. I'll bring it up with me. But just give us like... I'm going to keep these sell stops in. I'm just going to go downstairs. I'll be like 3 or 4 minutes. I'm just going to put back in 5. For anybody new who joins, I'm just going to put back in 5, okay? Like I say, hang in. Sell stops are still in. On the hourly, it's hourly flip. And I'll be back in 5. But yeah, I'm just going to mute. I'm just going to mute the audio. Hi guys, I'm back. I'm still not active in this trade yet. It's close to entry though. It's close to entry though. I'm very confident we're going to come and take this low here at least. Still not active though. I'll tell you when I am, guys. I'll tell you when I am. And that's what I mean, guys. If you did take the flip of the candle, you are in profit, but it's just gone back up to it. And you'll see that a lot. Yeah, here we go. We're going to get tagged in, finally. Not yet. I'm not in yet, guys. Alright, I'm in, guys. I'm in this trade. So, I'm actually going to have TP on the low, and I'm going to have my stop on the H1 high. It should fly down this. Now, it should, but if it doesn't, it doesn't. Like I say, I'm in this position, guys. Let's see if we can catch this move down. It's less than a 1-to-1, Naeem, but I'm risking 30 ticks at half risk to get 25, so it's worth it. There we go, guys. We're going to smack... Alright, I'm going break even, guys. Beautiful trade. I'm going break even. Break even on this, guys. If you're in, make sure you go break even. Yeah, nice. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. If you make sure you go break even and take partials, guys. I'm actually gonna take partials right there. So I've taken partials right there, guys. At what? How many ticks did I take partials at? I've taken partials at like 18 ticks there, which is great. I'm just gonna let the rest run. Yeah. Anybody else in this trade? Let me know. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And that's it, guys. We've waited for this and we've got the position. And that's how it is. 28 ticks. I'm going to take full here right now. And overall, that'll be 24, 12, 19. That'll be like 20, 24 ticks per profit. Great stuff, guys. Absolutely perfect stuff. But yeah, I'm break even. And I'm going to take my partials right now on all accounts. So partials taken. I'm just going to leave one account running to take profit. But yeah, good stuff, guys. Let me know if you got it. If you caught it, good stuff. But yeah, I'm at break even on. I've just got one account running to full TP, guys. At 27 ticks. If we can hit 27 ticks, I'm happy. Running Moolah 50% at 23 at the moment. Great stuff. If you took it, guys, let me know. Beautiful. We waited for that. We've been on stream for 2 hours 20 and we get the 20 ticks. Yeah, I'm at break even and I'm going to see if I can let this run. Naeem, good stuff, mate. Running another 50%, 230 at the moment. Good stuff. Is that on your new alpha, mate? Darren, good stuff, mate. Good. Yeah, I took it out all now. Good, Dan. Good stuff, guys. I'm out on 3 of my accounts, guys. I've got one account, which is a small account, running one more contract to full TP, just to see if it hits. Well done, guys. That's the 3rd win. Guys, no losses on stream yet. Touch wood. I'm just going to use it as, 27 tick win there. That's what I'm going to put it down as, because I think it will at TP. But yeah, I'm going to... Beautiful. Good stuff, Daniel. If you caught it on your personal as well, great. And we're about to hit TP, guys. Beautiful TP hit. That is TP hit. I'm getting out now. I'm out fully, guys. TP hit. Beautiful, guys. Nice 27 ticks there. Look, and it's absolutely flying down. That is it. I said it would be a quick trade. I said it would be a quick trade, and it was. That's what we... Guys, everything that I show in the community. Everything that I show in the community is that. That is everything that I show. Liquidity grab. Close below. Flip. Learn the strategy fully, and you'll catch these positions. This is the first trade, guys, I've taken all day, and it's an absolute banger. 27 ticks on a 2 contract, $500 over 3 accounts. You do the maths. Let's have it. Good stuff, guys. Darren took 50% off, leaving a runner. Good stuff, Darren. Guys, great stuff. I'm so happy if you got it. If you can stick around for 2 hours and watch me trade, listen to me chat absolutely, well, not rubbish, absolute gems. But if you can listen to me, yeah, you deserve it. But look, absolute beast of a trade. That's a runner. And I'm going to stick that in there. But yeah, I'm happy for that, guys. I'm out with a brilliant. Cheers, Saf, mate. I appreciate it. If everyone took it, good. That's just it. Anybody knows that's it. Look, like, watch the stream back as well, guys. I was so patient today, and patience pays. And I appreciate everyone who tunes in and sticks with me, because if you take 2 of these a day, you'll be very profitable. Still pushing down ATP 23. Nice one. I'm still being greedy. Nice. Yeah, you be greedy, Naeem. Is it on your new funded, mate? I've taken way over $1,500 off my funding there, just on that one little position. Great. On a funded account, guys. Like when you get these alpha accounts and you can just take loads of different trades, just link them all and just take loads. But yeah, I'm going to finish the stream up there, guys. I'm leaving a runner 2038. Nice. Guys, if you took this, what is actually still running? Beautiful, guys. If you took it, well done. Good stuff, guys. But yeah, I'm definitely changing the I'm changing the gold sells 27 ticks. I'm taking 27 ticks there, guys. I don't care what anyone says. 27 ticks and 3 wins, guys. Look, like, don't say the value isn't good. Like, don't say the value isn't good. Like, what is this about? You tell me who's giving you gems like this daily. 3 wins there. Beautiful. What have we ran? We've ran over 65 ticks, guys. Not an alpha, as I just need to train myself on how to use this platform. Yeah, good stuff, Naeem. Do that, mate. But yeah, guys, if you did take the trade, drop this video a like. Drop us a subscribe if you're new, and you can take trades like this with us every day. But yeah, beautiful. All the analysis played out perfectly. Good stuff, guys. Thanks for the support, guys. Thanks for the likes. And I'll see you all tomorrow. It was a great stream, way over 2.5 hours. Like I say, anybody new here, join the free Telegram, and I'll post the links for the YouTube every day. I go live 3 or 4 times a week. Yeah, and tune in to the free content. Like, obviously, you don't learn as much as you do in the community. The community is like everything from the strategy to my personal contacts, all the videos to cross reference. You get my time. Like, the community is like a different level of education, which is great. But if you just want to come and take the trades that I take on here, you don't really need to understand what I'm doing. But if you just want to come, sit down for 2 hours and take my positions and chat with everyone, then yeah, get yourself here. But yeah, that's the trade for today, guys. 27 ticks, that's all you need. But yeah, thanks everyone for tuning in. And if you're letting this run, guys, let it run, but make sure you break even. But yeah, guys, I appreciate everyone tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow.